To keep you updated, Listín Diario, the newspaper for the Dominicans, present the most important news of the day.
Thursday, January 13th of 2022. The business sector has already begun to fill the absences from work. For the Vice President of the National Council of Private Enterprise, Cesar Dargam, the high level of infections has had a strong impact on employment. He argued that companies have proactively made adjustments to strengthen prevention, control, and distancing measures. The Dominican Republic is going through the highest levels of infections and records of COVID-19 cases in about 2 years under the coronavirus pandemic, whose first record dates from March 1st of 2020. Although the Omicron variant is present throughout the national territory, detected in 93% of the samples analyzed, the Delta variant is still present in the provinces with the highest population density, causing severity and hospitalization in patients. Despite the fact that it is the area of the country where private health facilities have the largest numbers of beds enabled to care for patients with COVID-19, the North Central Health Regional, made up of the provinces of Santiago, Puerto Plata, and Espaillat, is the one that registers higher hospital occupancy, hovering around 70%. Due to the amount of demand for hospitalizations due to coronavirus, the health system incorporated more than 200 beds in hospitals and private clinics, with 2,357 as of yesterday, so it has greater availability. The president of the Dominican Medical College, Dr. Sanan Cava, said yesterday that the Dominican Association of Teachers is not a scientific entity, nor does it base its arguments in the light of science regarding the return to classes amid the outbreak of COVID-19 and its other variants. In the midst of the debate on returning to the classroom, NOTA Surgeon Jose Joaquin Puello said he agreed with the opening of schools and the implementation of health measures duly established by the Ministry of Education. The director of the Robert Reed Cabral Pediatric Hospital, Clemente Terrero, reported this Wednesday that respiratory conditions are the main motivation for patients to attend the emergency room of the Children's Health Center. Empty classrooms or with very few students is the panorama that was visualized on the second day of the call for the opening of classes in the study centers of Gran Santo Domingo. The judge of the 7th Investigating Court of the National District, David Timoteo Peguero, set for February 7th the hearing of the preliminary trial followed by those implicated in the Antipulpo corruption case. For this and more information, you can visit listindiario.com. For Listín Diario, voiceover and translations by Indira Rodriguez.
To keep you updated, Listín Diario, the newspaper for the Dominicans, presented the most important news of the day.